Whenever we talk about the CSR deployment, so there are number of options, but right now in this episode, we are going to explore the third party tools. So when we talk about the third party tools, there are number of tools available. If you can search inside the Google search bar, so number of tools will be available. And in the same manner, if we use the chat GPT, so we can also ask this question, is there any third party tools available for the creation of CSR? So definitely ChatGPT will bring number of options available regarding the third party tools. Right now, we have a tremendous tool which we are going to explore right now, and that tool is called Digicert. So let's explore the Digicert. And here you can see it's a tiny a kind of tool which you can download. So I just double click on the Digicert utility. So on the Digicert website, official website, this tool is available. So I just accept the terms and conditions. And here we go. Here you can see there are lots of options available regarding the CSR deployment. The first one is create the CSR if you want to export, or if any other certificate available over here and you want to export the certificates, so you can export the certificates as well. And in the same manner, here you can find the code signing certificate. So you can also create code signing certificate request from here. We will explore the code signing certificates in the coming episodes, but right now we are just trying to explore the tools options inside the Digicert utility. And here are the tools options available. So you can perform number of tasks which we will explore in the coming episode. So right now, when I click on the SSL option, so here you can see there are lots of options available. So at level 1, we are going with the create CSR option. When I click on the create CSR option, so here you can see there are many simple options available which we just explored in the previous episodes when we are going to create CSR with online tools. So here I just just type the common name for the certificate. So let's suppose I have trx dot ambisoft.com. Okay. And if I have other alternate names, so I can also place over here. And in the same manner, I just need to type the organizational name for this certificate. And here is the department. And definitely when I fill up, it's IT. And when we talk about the city, so in my case, it's Devi. While if you talk about the states, so from the drop down list, I will select Florida. So you can select all these options as per your own requirements. And country, definitely it's USA. Okay, and from here I can select the size of the encryption bit. So right now I'm going with the default option. Okay, when I click on it, I just click on the button generate. So with very few clicks, it will generate the certificate. And here we go. We will click on the yes button. And now here you can see the certificate request has been successfully created. If you want to save this file, so just click on the save button. And in the downloads option, I'll just type the CSR file name for this, and I type save. Okay, and I just close it. So here you can see I just got the CSR file over here. So now I'll submit this CSR request to any CS service provider. So they will provide me the certificate as we did in the previous episode. So with the help of this Digicert utility, you can perform number of tasks related to the certificate or CSR deployment.